Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. So we have 8 over 7 multiplied by the quantity 36 divided by the fraction 9 over 14. So our topic for today is all about simplifying expression. So let us first write yung ating given. So we have 8 over 7 multiply yung quantity na 36 divided by 9 over 14. So in order to solve this kind of problems, we will use yung ating PEMDAS rule. So P for PEMDAS stands for parenthesis. So unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, kailangan muna natin siyang i-simplify bago tayo mag-multiply sa labas. So we have 36 divided by 9 over 14. So ang first thing we need to consider this is itong division sign natin. So kailangan natin siya i-flip into multiplication, pero magre-reciprocal yung ating fraction. So, yung numerator magiging denominator, yung denominator magiging numerator. So, copy muna natin yung ating mga given. We have 8 over 7 multiplied by the quantity, 36 copy. And then, yung division natin, magiging multiplication na to, followed by yung reciprocal ng ating fraction, which is 14 over 9. Ayan. So, ngayon, pwede na nating masimplify further itong ating parenthesis. So, we have 36 multiplied by 14 over 9. So, mapapansin nyo, pag minultiply natin itong 36 sa 14, malaki masyado yung number, matatagalan tayo. So, ano ba yung pinaka mabilis gawin para hindi na lumalaki yung number natin? So, for that, mas mabilis tayo makakapag-multiply. So, pwede natin gawin, tip ko sa inyo, unahin nyo na itong division. Okay, divide nyo na muna yung 36 sa 9. So, that will give us 36 divided by 9 is 4. And then itong 4, yan na yung imumultiply nyo sa 14. By that, nasimplify nyo ng malilit na numbers lang yung ating nasa parenthesis. Okay? So, copy natin itong 8 over 7. Multiply by 4 times 14, that is 56. Which is equal to, so same nung ginawa natin sa parenthesis, kapag minultiply natin yung 8 sa 56, lalaki lang din yung ating number. So, mas matatagalan tayo. Pwede nating i-divide na agad tong 56 sa 7. So, 56 divided by 7, that is 8. So, 8 na to. And then, multiply na natin to. 8 times 8, that is 64. So, 64 yung ating answer for this problem, which is letter C. So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box, and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.